Hello everybody, it's Francesco with Something About Santa Fe Realtors here to bring you another awesome property, 122 Carson Valley Way in the very nice subdivision Turquoise Trail on the southwest corner of Santa Fe. Come on inside, let's take a look at it and give us some feedback, tell us what you think. And thank you again for joining us on this tour of 122 Carson Valley Way. Again, I'm Francesco with Something About Santa Fe Realtors in Keller Williams. Feel free to reach out to us and ask us any questions about this property or any other properties here in Santa Fe or Albuquerque for that matter. And remember, we're not just selling homes, we're selling Santa Fe. Our number is 719-243-1845.